In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Robinhood chain to Rabby wallet. Now, the first thing I have to point out is that I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Trading meme coins carries extreme financial risk, so always do your own research before investing into anything. Now that we got this out of the way, let's get into connecting our Robinhood chain to Rabby wallet. So first you want to go and of course install Rabby wallet onto your browser. Now I've done this already. You can go to Chrome Web Store or something similar and just get this installed, and of course you can then create your wallet in there. It's super simple. Then you want to go to Robinhood's official website and you want to click on what we offer, top left, and then you want to click on chain. So from here you want to click on start building, which is going to take you into their docs, and then you want to go to where it says get started and click on add network to your wallet. In here you want to go down to where it says connect using a browser wallet, and you can go to mainnet and you can see down here it says Rabby wallet on the first place. Now just find it and click on it, and then from here it's going to open up this, as you can see here. There we go. So it's going to say connect to DApp over here, and Robinhood is going to be listed. It may ask you to sign in with your password to your wallet first, so if it does so, make sure you type in your password to actually unlock your wallet. And then down here it says you have to basically process the alert before signing, so you have to click on the warning here. You have to read it, and of course if you know that if you basically trust it, you can click on ignore and then click on this connect button. Now there we go. As you can see, it says connected to Robinhood chain. If I open up my Rabby wallet over here, you'll see that I am now connected, and of course the Rabby wallet has now been added to the Robinhood chain, or vice versa. Okay, so I've connected the Robinhood chain to my Rabby wallet, and now I can go and use it on here, okay, which of course is quite sweet. So that's the first thing you have to do. And then if you want to like go and trade meme coins, for example, you can go and basically find any platforms which offer this. You have like GMGN, you have OpenSea and Uniswap, stuff like that. You also have things like Axiom, which I usually use, and I do have a link down below for Axiom if you want to check it out, and there's a link down below, as I said. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. I do have a ton of tutorials on Axiom on my channel, so you can go watch those if you are interested on how exactly to do this on here, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.